This is NAVITEL T757 4G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first order of business is to obviously find and launch the calendar app. Then once the calendar is opened, you gotta select the date that you would like to create an event on. So let's not get ahead of ourselves. So let's say I'll go with 19th of April, then tap this plus icon to your bottom right, choose an event option, and over here fill out all the event details such as its title, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness, participants, link to the video conference, location, reminding preferences, color of this event. You can also write a brief description or attach some file if needed. Then save, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.